Good morning, children. Class 8. Today I am going to explain Civics chapter first, short answer. Question 4. Yesterday I have already solved 1, 2, 3. And today question number 4. List the fundamental right enjoyed by the Indian citizen. The answer is our constitution guarantee of the following fundamental right to the citizen. First right, right to equality. Second, right to freedom. Third, right against exploitation. Fourth, right to freedom of religion. Fifth, culture and educational right. Sixth, right to constitutional remedies. And the last fundamental right are the right of children to free and compulsory education, that is known as RTE. Now children, come to question 5. Explain right to equality and right to freedom. First, right to equality. All are equal before the law. All citizens are equally protected by law without any discrimination. The state shall not discriminate against any citizen on ground only on religion, caste, race, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Now children, come to next question. Next question. Next topic, right to freedom. Article 19 to 22 of the Constitution guarantee the right to various freedom. First, the freedom of speech and expression, the freedom to assemble peacefully without arms, the freedom to form association and unions, the freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India, the freedom to reside, the settle in any part of the country, the freedom to practice any business or any profession. Children, now come to question. Next, with 80% of dominant Hindu population, India choose to be a secular country. Why? The constitutional expert had clearly observed that example of various countries in the world where discrimination was done on the basis of religion. They felt that religious discrimination could take place when a particular religion was given official status over the other religion. Hence, India chose to be a secular country. Children, now come to last question of short answer. The question is, right are right. Then why do we call some right as the fundamental right? Answer, the fundamental rights are important because they provide the citizen of a country with human dignity and development of personality of every individual. Now come to point second. They guarantee civil liberties in order to sustain peace and harmony among the Indians. These rights have reduced inequality among different groups of the classes. Therefore, we call some right as a fundamental right. Have a nice day. And now the long answer will be solved on